Assalamualaikum my dear students, welcome back to my class. This is Aira Wasif from Moonlight International Publishers. I hope my old students are fine and enjoying our digital lectures. Grade 5 students, kindly open your English textbook developed by Moonlight Publishers. Unit number 3, Colonel Sher Khan Shaheed. We have already completed reading and critical thinking of it. Now it's time to move towards our next competency, and that is language focused competency. Our first category is vocabulary building. As you already know that we have done this vocabulary building, as you know that we have already done vocabulary building while we were reading the text. Let's move to the next question of this category. We are going to read a dialogue in which we will learn how to give and respond to simple instructions and directions. Let's start. Huram says, Assalamu alaikum, I want to go to a restaurant. Can you tell me the way? Amir replies, why not? Turn left, then turn right in the second street. Huram asks, may I offer you some tea? Amir replies, no thanks. I have an important task at hand. Huram replies, it's okay, nice to meet you. Amir replies, same here. Pleasure is mine. I hope students that you have understood how you can give or respond to the instructions and directions. Our next question is about anagram. Anagram is, do you have any idea about the anagram? Obviously students, anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a word or phrase using all the original letters exactly once. We got confused? Don't worry, just look at the example. There is one word, heart. Focus on this word. Think carefully. Can you make another word from these letters? Can you make another word by using same letters? Exactly. We can make another word by just shuffling the letters. And we can have the word earth. Do you understand? I hope you have enjoyed this activity. Move to the next word. Race. Focus on this word. Silent. This is a bit tricky, but it's not impossible. Just focus on the word, think carefully, and then you will get a word by using these group of letters. And yes, obviously, by shuffling these group of letters, we get a new word, and that is listen. Well done, students. And yes, students, actually, I have enjoyed this activity so much. I hope that you have also enjoyed this activity very much. Now it's time to move towards our next question, that is learning to spell. You have been given some words, but these words are not completed as some of the letters are missing. Now, what you have to do, you have to listen to me carefully and observe which letter is missing in the words. Let's start. Officer. Officer. You can see that C sound is coming, but C is not written over here. So what are you waiting for? Just complete this word. Province. Province. Obviously, V sound is coming and V is not written over here. So this is province. Next word is heavy. E is missing. Complete this word. Enemy. Obviously, E is missing. Initially. You are going to complete this word by writing A in the blank. And the next word is krail. But what is krail? Actually, this is a village in India. We are done with our first category. Now it's time to move towards our next category, and that is grammar. Let's see what topic we have got in this unit. And yes, students, we are going to talk about articles. There are two types of articles, definite articles and indefinite articles. Let's talk about definite articles. The definite article is only one word, and that is the. And yes, students, we use the article when the person you are talking to already knows what you are talking about. Like the moon is very bright tonight and I am going to the bank. It means that the person to whom I am telling about the bank already familiar with the bank. And we use the with the superlative adjectives. It means that when we compare more than two things with each other and we tell that one thing is best than all of the things, so that is the superlative. To describe the superlative adjectives, we use the. Like the best, the most beautiful, the most clever. Look at the example. He is the tallest boy in the class. It means that there are many boys in the class, but he is the tallest one. So I have used the with the superlative adjective. It is the oldest building in this town. It means that in this town there are many buildings, but the building which I am pointing, that is the oldest one. So the is used for the superlative adjective. The is used for the person or the thing which we have already mentioned. Like, this is a dog. The dog is brown. In the beginning, I said this is a dog because I have introduced the dog. So second time, whenever I will talk about the dog, so next time, whenever I will talk about the dog, I will not say our dog because I have already introduced that dog to you. For the next time, I will use the dog. I hope, students, that you all have understood about the definite articles. Now it's time to move towards our next category of articles, and that is indefinite articles. And they are only two, a and an. So first of all, we have to remember that we use a and an for the singular nouns. I need a cell phone, I need a pencil. Over here, you have to understand one thing, that a cell phone and a pencil are not specific. So it means that we use a or an with the non-specific things. And the pointing words are this, that, these, those. If I am talking about one thing which is near to me, I will say this. And if I am talking about plural nouns or plural things which are near to me, I will use these. On the other hand, if I point out one thing that is far away from me, I will use that. And for the plural things which are far away from me, I will use those. I hope, students, that you have understood our today's lecture very well. You have understood about the articles and the pointing words. Now it's time to say Allah Hafiz to all of you. Don't forget to join me in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.